Okay, we're back again. So today we'll revise with you the previous lesson. Okay guys, so it will be as a revision of the previous lessons. Let's start with the first question here. So if you are now with me, please open your book, page 510. Okay guys, 510 here. Okay, so let's start. The first question here asking you, on each numbered line, fill in the vocabulary terms that match the descriptions. Okay, 1. Here they give you two definitions, okay, or scientific definition, and you have to give what? To give them what? The scientific term of each definition here. Okay guys, let's start with the first one, or the number one. Definition number one is a material that cannot what? Carry electric charge. Okay guys, this one is what exactly? What we have to write here. So let's start here, and I have to write it here. So what I can write here, guys. So number one is what? We should write here exactly insulators. Okay guys, insulator. So insulator is a material that cannot carry electric charge. Okay guys, cannot. Okay, it can't take electric charge, or the electric charge can't what flow through it. Okay guys, so this one is the correct answer. Let's go down to the next one. The next definition is what? A material that can carry electric charge. Sure, is the conductors. Okay, conductors. Okay, conductors. Save it and let's go to the next question here. Okay, number 3. This one, now they give you so many examples of circuits here. Okay guys, and they're asking you about the type of each one. Okay, let's start with number 3. The number 3 is what exactly? I know some of you will tell me that it's series. Okay guys, I am not talking about series, but because here there's a switch, and this switch is what exactly? Closed or open? It's open. For that reason it's considered to be what? Open circuit, guys. Okay, it's open what? Open circuit. Okay, it's open circuit. Open circuit. What about the next one here? Number 4. Let's go by the numbers much better. So number 4, this one is what? Open or closed? See the switch here. The switch is closed, so for that reason we can say what here? The circuit is closed as well. Okay, closed circuit. Okay, closed. No need to write circuit. It's enough to write closed and open. Okay, but you understand what I mean. Open circuit and closed circuit. Now let's go to the next one here. This one is what exactly? This one we call it what exactly? This is a type of what? Try to see here. Well, it's an example of what? Series. Okay guys, because is what is only one light, or is only one path that help the electric charge to flow through it. Okay guys, it's only one path. Okay, if you remember, only one path that help the electric charge to flow from the positive terminal or positive charge bar to what? To the negative charge. Okay, so this one is what considered to be what? Series circuit. Okay, this one is what I will write here is what exactly? Is what? A series. Okay, series. Okay, series. Okay, series circuit. Let's go now to the next one. The next one is sure easy for you, and it's familiar to you because you know what does mean of the first loop and the second loop, or the top loop and the bottom loop. Okay guys, so this one is what? This circuit has what? 2 paths. Okay guys, this 2 paths, it will help what? The circuit to keep working, even if there's so many what devices that what connected to this circuit. So for that reason I have to write here what exactly, guys? Parallel what exactly? Parallel circuit. Okay, parallel circuit. Okay, so this one parallel circuit, and this one is what? In the series circuit. Okay, let's go now to the next page here. Okay, they're asking you to reorder the words here, because here all of the words that written in a red color is what? Is written in what? With some mistakes. Okay, so you have to reorder the letters here in case to what? To give what the correct scientific term for each definition that written here in the black color. Okay, so let's start with the first one here. They give you the first example easy. Okay, so in some circuits, electric energy or electrical energy is transformed into a light energy by a light to what? A light. You have to reorder the letters here, so it will give you what? Something like what? Pulp. Okay, pulp. Okay, now B, the wires in a circuit are made of a material that is what you have to write here if you want to reorder this one. A wire that is in a circuit that are made of what? Of material. Made of materials. What? Metals. Okay, materials like metals. So these metals are what? Example of what? Conductors or insulators? Conductors. So you have to write here what? I will write it here again. Sorry. You have to write here what? Conductor. Conductor. Okay, so don't forget that the last letter should be what? R here. Okay, the last letter should be here R, or the last letter written here is R. Okay, to understand the what we will do here with the circles is because we have to reorder them by the numbers here also to make a new words. Okay, for that reason here now we write what exactly? We write here conductor, and the last letter should be R here. Okay, let's go down to the next page now. Oh, sorry, the next question, which is the path that an electric current can flow is an electric what? Electric what? Electric what? A path. It's a path. It's talking about a path. So a circuit. Sure, we are talking about the circuit here. So we should write here what? Circuit. Sorry. Okay, let's go. So for that reason now number 4 is the letter should be here is U, and the letter should be written in the number 5 is T. Okay, in the space that numbered with number 5 is what? T. Here should write, you have to write T, and to make sure that the word is written well. Okay guys, so U here and T here. Okay, so anyway you have to write here what? Circuit. Okay, circuit. Let's go now to letter D, or the definition here is a circuit in which electric charge can flow several different paths is called circuit. Parallel circuit. Okay guys, parallel circuit. Okay, if you remember that it has more than one path. Okay, 2 or more, that's what I mean. So you have to write here what? Parallel. Okay, parallel. Okay, I have to write it here. Parallel. Okay, save it. So parallel here in number 8 we should write, or in this spaces we have to write what? We have to write parallel, and here I think the letter should be A. Okay, parallel. Okay, A. Here you have to write A. Okay, let's go to the next definition. Okay, if a wire is disconnected, so the circuit is an what circuit? What here? You have to reorder letters here, so we have to what? Right here, open. So if a wire disconnected, sure the circuit will be open, so I have to write here what exactly? Open. Okay, so now in the circle here the letter E should be written. Okay, letter E should be written here. Let's go now to the definition number 5. The definition number 5, the covering on electric plugs and a round wire is made of something. The covering around the electric plugs and the wires that made of copper, it's wrapped with what exactly, or is covered with what exactly? With plastic or something, or rubber. So this is or the plastic is example of what? Insulator. Okay guys, so you have to write here what exactly? Insulator. Okay, insulator. We have in the definition F we have to write what here? Insulator. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, G, a circuit in which all the devices are connected in a single path is a circuit. All devices connected in what? A single path or one path, we call it what? Series. Okay, series. Okay, we have to write here what? Cirrus. Okay. The last one, when a light is on, it's part of the of a circuit. Okay, what we have to write here exactly, guys, if we need to reorder the letters here, so what we have to write here, so I told you, when a light is on, the part of a circuit, what? It's example of what? When the light open in that circuit, when the light open or when the light it's on in that circuit, this circuit is what exactly? Closed or open? Sure, it's closed. Okay, guys, so we have to write here what? Closed. So I think now the letters and the circles here should be like this. Here C, here R, and here I and R. Here in number 9 E, number 8 A, number 4 U, number 5 T, and number 10 R, and the last one, number 6, is B. So you have to combine all of them now. You have to combine all of them and reorder them by their numbers. Okay, starting from number 1, then number 2, number 3, and try to add each letter that related to a specific number to in the space here. Okay, for example, number 1 here is what? Is C. Okay, number 1 is C here. So we should write here what? C. Okay, number 2 is what exactly? I. So we have to write here what? I. Number 3 here is what exactly? Number 3 is R. So we have to write here in number 3 R. Okay, like this. That's what I mean. So I will solve it here for you now also. Okay, so this one that's made of 5 letters. The first 5 letters are, we should write what? Circuit. It's what? If you combine them, you will find out something called what? Circuit. Okay, check the letters. Okay, try to check the missed letters here. Okay, the missed letter. Okay, let's go to that one also. Here we should write what exactly you have I told you to check the number here and to take the letters from here and keep them where? In the blanks here. Okay, guys, so here we should write what exactly? Breaker. Okay, you have to complete the word to be what? You have to complete the word to be what? Breaker. Okay, you have to complete the word to be what? Something called breaker. So to complete it, you have to complete the letters here to what? To give you a word that is what? The breaker. Okay, let's go now to the next page. And here I think we should start from the beginning. Okay, they're asking you to draw something here, but I will tell you which drawing you have to draw it exactly. I will tell you about everything. Okay, here they're asking draw a closed circuit with 2 light bulbs. Okay, you have to draw what? A circuit with 2 light bulbs. Okay, you have to draw it here, and then a battery and a switch. What happens if one of the light bulbs close out? They're asking you what will happen if you draw now a circuit with 2 light bulbs. Okay, and one of these bulbs are what? Burn out. What will happen to this circuit? What will happen to the circuit, or what will happen to the also to the second light bulb? Okay, I will tell you what will happen here. I told you many times. We explained it I think many times. Okay, I have to write it here. So electric current would what? Stop flowing. Okay, electric current, electric. Okay, sorry, electric current what would but stop flowing. Throw the circuit. Okay, Okay. So the second light bulb would do what? Would turn off. Okay. So the second light bulb would what? Would turn off. Okay. Would burn out or what? Not burn out, but turn off, because the electric charges stop, okay, flowing. Okay, stop flowing. Okay, so would what? Turn off. So easy, right? And if you didn't understand what I mean here, before I close it here, or wait for me. So electric current would stop flowing through the circuit because the second light bulb would what? Turn off. Okay, so I will explain it here. If I search about example of series circuits that have two bulbs, light bulbs. Okay, so here I think what we have to write here, I think series. Okay, series circuit. Okay, series. Okay, or the series circuit. Okay, the series circuit. Okay, series circuits. This is the example of series circuits. They told you what will happen if the first one is what? It's burn out or stop working or what? Turn off. So what will happen to the second one? It will what? It stop working as well, or it will what? Turned off. Okay, because why, guys? Because the current, it will what? Will stop. The current what? It stop flowing here. Okay, the current or the charge, the electric charge will stop flowing where? Here. Okay, for that reason, this one will what? Will not work anymore. Okay, this is what I mean here. So I think we answered this question well, and you understand how to. So you have to draw this one, by the way. I think it's a good example of a series circuit. Okay, guys, it's a series circuit. Okay, it is a good example of series circuit. Okay, you have to draw it in your book. Okay, here. Let's go now, and exactly here. Okay, they asking you to explain what causes an overloaded circuit. How can you prevent an overloaded circuit? Okay, guys, they're asking you how to prevent the overload circuits. Okay, guys, so you have to give your reason here. So I think I have to write here on what? An overloaded. Okay, an overloaded circuits has too many devices. Okay, has too many devices. Okay, devices. Okay, sorry, devices. Okay, turned on. Okay, turned what? Okay, allowing too much current in circuit, so it will allow too much electric charge to flow through it. Okay, so it will allow what? Or allowing what? Allowing too much what exactly? Current in the circuit. To what? It's allowing too much to flow. Okay, in the circuit too. Sorry, flow. So what else? I can. So you can prevent the overload by what exactly? By using what? One device at a time. Okay, or by using devices that do not need many amps. Okay, guys. So I think we have to complete our question or our answer by what exactly? By writing we can prevent. Okay, prevent. We can prevent what exactly? The overload. Load by using what exactly? By using only one device, or at one time, at one times, or using devices. Okay, devices, sorry, devices with what? Devices with low what? With low amps. Okay, I think now you understand what I write here. It's so easy, I think, and you understand the description here and the information that is in here already. Okay, thank you so much. Now let's go now to the last one, I think here. Yes, here. Okay, they're asking you have to differentiate between the insulators and conductors here, where you, or yes, you have to write conductor or insulator in what in the blanks here. Okay guys, but before to write them you have to identify which one is in the insulator or conductor. So let's start with this one, with the block here. So this one is wrapped by what exactly? By the plastic. So the plastic is considered to be what? Insulator. Okay, insulator. Okay, and what about the metal here? Is made of what exactly? The metals are what are considered to be what exactly? Conductors. Okay guys, so you have to write conductor. Okay, conductor. So this one is conductor, this part is conductor, and this one is insulator. Let's go now here and okay, the cover of the outlet here in the wall is made of what exactly? Of plastic or insulator. So we have to write here what exactly? Insulator. Insulator. Okay, and here inside the holes itself, inside the holes of the outlet, there's what exactly? There is metal inside the holes itself here. In the holes here itself, there's what? There are metals. Okay, so it's made of what exactly? These metals are made of what? Conductors. Are made of what? Conductors. Okay, so it's so easy. Let's go now to the next page. Okay, here they're asking you to make a series circuits or assemble series circuits from tools that you always find it in your home. Okay guys, which tool that you will use it to make a series circuit, guys? So suppose you are building a series circuit using a small battery and a small light bulb, and you run out of wire. So so this wire, you have to bring it from where exactly? So what everyday object could you use to connect the battery to the light bulb? Explain. So before I told you, let's go to the internet again and find what a series circuit example or a simple series circuit. Okay, series circuit, series circuit. Okay, simple circuit examples. You'll find so many examples of series circuits. Okay, you can find them here. Series circuits that made in home. Made in home. Okay, made in where? In home. Okay, let's see if we can find something, or by using nails. Okay, or by using nails. Okay, by using nails. Okay, yes, here I can find something simple here. Okay, see, like this one or this one. Let's see this one. I think, yeah, this one is a good example, I think. Yes. And what else? Okay, so we can use some simple objects, like what also? Or by the paper clip. Okay, the paper clip is also used, okay, to make a circuit. Okay guys, but this one, by the way, is parallel. Okay guys, parallel circuit is not a series circuit. Okay, but anyway, you can use nails and paper clip, and you can draw them. Okay guys, I need you to draw also a series circuit in the place where they asking you to describe or explain how to make a series circuit by using object that you find it always in your home, like the paper clip. I think it's clear guys. Oh no, I don't know. And the nails. Okay guys, so I have to write here what exactly now. Let's write here. We can use what exactly guys? We can use metal object. We can objects that you can't find it. Okay, like what exactly? What we can say, examples like what? Paper what? Paper clips. Okay, paper clips. And what else? What is the another example that we see it here is nails. Okay, right? We see here clips and nails. Okay, we can write this one. Okay, and something like what? Nails. Metal spoons also. Metal spoon. All of these are examples of metals or object that you can find it to make a series circuit. Okay guys, and much better if you draw something like this. Okay, if you draw the circuit, if you can draw the circuit before to write the information that I give it to you here. Okay, I think we reached the last question here in this lesson today. Okay, they're asking you here, identify each lettered part of the circuit and explain what each part does. Let's start with the first one here, letter A. Letter A is talking about, letter A about what exactly? If we write here A, okay, A. They're talking about the light bulb, okay? Is a light bulb, okay, it's a light bulb. It changed electrical charge to what exactly? To light energy. It change electricity or electric charge to what? To light energy or into light energy. Okay, this is letter A. B. Now the B is they talking in B is about what exactly? This one is what? Is the switch, if you remember. So the switch is what? So is a switch is a switch that open and close the circuit. By the way, the state of the switch now is open or closed? See, this one is open. Okay guys, but anyway, is a switch that control the flow of the movement of what? Of the electric charge or the flow. It's the switch that control the flow of electric charge. Okay, now C is what exactly guys? See this one, this is the C with 9 volts. C is what? Is the battery. Is a battery. It supplies what? The electric charge. It supplies what? Or to produce the electric charge, or supplies the electric charge. Okay, it supplies what exactly? The electric charge. Electric. And the last one is D. D is what exactly here? The D is the path here. It's the path or the wire itself here. By the way, this is example of closed or open circuit. This is example of what? Of open circuit, okay guys, because there is a switch here. For this one is not related to series exactly, but it's open circuit. Okay, if I want to ask you about this circuit exactly, is what I told you. This one is not open, this one sorry, is not, this one is not closed circuit, is one is open because the switch is open itself. Okay, anyway, the wire here is what exactly? Is the conductor, okay, that lets charge pass what? Between the wire and the battery. Okay, we can see here is what is the path or the wire or conductor path that made of conductor to allow what? That lets charge, or that lets charge to flow. Okay, it's enough. Thank you so much, and I think we finished the page here. Okay, I think we finished everything. Okay, thank you so much and goodbye.